Hello, welcome to the video lecture part 4 on heat transfer. So in this lecture we shall discuss the last question on the heat transfer problems. So this is of the different kind to the previous questions. Determine the temperature distribution through the composite wall subjected to convection heat loss on the right side surface with a convection heat transfer coefficient shown in the figure. The ambient temperature is -5 degrees centigrade. So this is of the composite wall subjected to heat transfer coefficient on the right hand side. So in the previous 2 to 3 problems we have seen the question, that is heat convection was given at the left hand side. So in this question it is on the right hand side. Then what is the difference between the previous question and this question, we will see in this video. So here two elements are given of conduction K1 and K2. These are the two given datas. One was 6 and second is subjected to 20 watt per meter degree centigrade. And convection heat loss is at 1000 degree watt per meter square degree centigrade, and it is a T infinity, that is ambient air temperature is -5 degree centigrade, and first node temperature is given at 20 degree centigrade. So as we see this figure where conduction is taking place between first element and second element, hence stiffness matrix for that particular conductivity is given by Ka by L 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So here there are two elements, hence two stiffness matrix you will get, that is K1 A1 by L1. Whether area is mentioned here? No. So take it as a unit area. So 6 into 1 divided by length is 0.06 meter. 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So what you will get, 6 by 0.06 will be 100. So 100 minus 100 minus 100 and plus 100. So this is equal to sign. Okay, don't make confuse that it is not a minus sign. Okay, and K2 will be K2 A2 by L2. So again A is a unit area, so L2 is 0.02. You will get 1000 minus 1000 minus 1000 plus 1000. Okay. At node 3, heat is lost by convection because one end surface is exposed. So in the formula we have seen that whenever the right hand side element is subjected to convection heat transfer value, then the formula will be AH0001. Okay, 1 will be at the last node, right? So A is unity, H is 1000, and only one value you have to keep it here. And force matrix is due to convection only, free end convection, that is AH T infinity 0 1. So AH T infinity is -5 0 1. It is -5000. Okay. So then you have to assemble this matrix because there are 3 nodes, hence 3 by 3 stiffness matrix you will get. Then force matrix will be 0 0. At the last node we have convection heat transfer, that is -5000. Then convection matrix will be only at the last node we have the value, rest all the values are 0. Then equilibrium equation is K into T plus H into T is equal to F. So K value is this, H value is this, and force matrix will be this value. So this will be assemble of this and one more value. Otherwise -5000, that is at last node it is given, hence take only this -5000, this -5000. Rest all the values are 0 at node 1 and node 2. Then assemble add these two matrix, only third row, third column is get affected, right? So 1000 plus 1000, it is 2000 here actually, it is 2000, and it is -5000. All the values are remain same except this one. Now applying the boundary condition, from the second row of the matrix we have -100 T1 plus 1100 T2 minus 1000 T3 is equal to 0, and from this we can find the T1 value. Yes, that is T1 equal to 20 degree centigrade is given, so we can find the value of second row. That is, now eliminating the first row first column, because we know the boundary condition at the first node, hence eliminate first row first column, we will get only 2 by 2 matrix from the previous 3 by 3. After we will get after this elimination of first row first column, we will left with only second row second column, third row third column, and T1 T2. This is 2000, this is 2000, it is minus 5000 as it is. So now apply the boundary condition and find the value of T2 and T3. So in this case you have to, with the help of calc, you have to solve that is T2 and T3. See here this is T2 and this is T3. He has mistaken here. So this is T2 and this is T3. So with the help of calc equation mode, two unknowns, find the values of T2 and T3. Then just mention all the values of temperature. That's it.